Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset BMW 5 Series service light. Start by parking safely and turning the ignition to the first position without starting the engine. Then navigate the iDrive or Instrument Cluster menu to the Service History and select Reset. Hold the Reset option until the display confirms the service light has cleared, and double-check by cycling the ignition off and on. Begin with basic preparation to make the reset quick and safe. Park on level ground and apply the parking brake so the car won't move while you work. Turn the ignition key or press Start to Accessory mode so the electronics are on but the engine stays off. Make sure the display shows the iDrive menu or Instrument Cluster messages clearly before proceeding to menu navigation. Now we move through the menu to find the Service Reset option. Use the iDrive controller or steering wheel buttons to open the Vehicle or Settings menu and locate Service, Vehicle Status, or a similar entry. Highlight the specific service item or oil change reminder you want to clear, then select the Reset or Confirm option. Hold the confirmation until the display shows the reset completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.